Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a secret Instagram account or create a private account on Instagram. First, make sure you already open the Instagram, and then you can click the profile menu and then click the three lines menu over here and go to settings. In here you can tap for the privacy, and then you can change it private account to active. Okay, for activate the private account menu or feature, make sure your account is a personal account and not a business account. Okay, so if your account is a personal account, you can activate this feature private account. Okay. And here it is. That's the tutorial how to make a secret Instagram account or private account on Instagram. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.